What is WireGuard? WireGuard is a free and open-source software application and communication protocol that implements virtual private network techniques to create secure point-to-point connections in routed or bridged configurations. Too fancy explanation? WireGuard is extremely simple yet fast and modern VPN server, a very good alternative to OpenVPN. Let's install it on our VPS now. Using this script, it can be installed very simple on latest Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS and Fedora distributions. First we will update our server packages. This can take some time depending of your server specifications. We use a VPS server from Hetzner with 2 GB of RAM, 40 GB SSD storage and 2 virtual CPU cores. We will install it on a clean CentOS server. We need to install first WGET and after download the installer. We download the installer, run it, select the port for our WireGuard server and choose the name for the first user. Find the install command in the video description. WireGuard is now installed. If you will use it on your phone, just scan the QR code. If you will use it on computer, download the client configuration from your server. To add new clients, run the code again. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe button.